In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's icon database. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing just about any kind of information you can think of, and its icon database is a handy feature that can help personalize and organize your workspace even further. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or someone who just started exploring its features, knowing how to effectively use icons can greatly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your databases. So, let's dive right in and see how you can make the most out of this feature. First, you'll need to open a database in Notion. Notion's databases are diverse and can be tailored to suit a variety of needs. Think of it as a versatile table or spreadsheet. Within it, each row can represent an item in a list, such as a project, a task, or even a detailed note. Once you have your database open, the next step is to click on a specific row to open it as a separate page. This feature allows you to view details that may not be visible in the compressed database view. It's a useful way to focus on a single piece of information without distractions. After you click on a row and it opens up into its own full-page view, look towards the top of the page. Here you will find the option to Add Icon. Clicking on this will allow you to add visual identifiers that make your pages pop, adding a layer of personalization and making it easier to navigate through your Notion setup. Now, when it comes to adding icons, you have several choices to consider that cater to your preferences and needs. The first option is to choose an emoji. Emojis are fun, universally recognizable, and can convey a lot with just a small image. Picking an emoji can bring a bit of personality and clarity to your entries. It's particularly useful if you want something lighthearted or instantly recognizable. If you're looking for something more specific or professional, you might opt for Notion icons. These icons are designed to integrate seamlessly with Notion's aesthetic, offering a clean, minimalist look that can suit various types of content. The other options include uploading a custom image or using an external image link. Uploading a custom image allows you to use an icon that's tailored to your personal or brand style, while using an external image link is a great way to access a broader range of imagery from the web. And that's it. You're all set to start organizing your Notion databases with icons. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your Notion pages, making information easier to find and more enjoyable to interact with. Icons offer a simple yet effective way to personalize your digital workspace and keep everything in check. So, go ahead and explore these options in Notion. You might find that they not only make your database visually appealing, but also significantly more functional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Notion experience.